I want to go back to what I consider to be the fundamentals here, which we started with, I hope. Calm the spirit, return to the source. And that push-pull is the most tangible form of that. But as you listen to the impulse to breathe and your sense of this feelings get subtler and subtler and subtler, you begin to get messages that you aren't even sure you're hearing something at first. And then you kind of get a sense of something, and then, you know, a trickle becomes a stream, becomes a river, goes to the ocean or something like that. Calm the spirit, return to the source. It's a great love, omnipresent at all times and quarters of the universe. There is no enemy of love. There is no discord in love. Aikido is the realization of love. So I'll leave it there for now. Let's go to our earlier practice a little bit, just to remember it, our listening practice. And again, I wouldn't normally stay on the line, but again, at a punch, it doesn't take that much before you're off the line. It doesn't need to be a big move. It could be. A small move will usually do it. Anyhow, so whatever you're working on, and don't stop listening. Don't, what will we call him, Mr. Hyde. Don't let Mr. Hyde come out. Thank you. Listening, and hopefully, you're listening already. Not, oh, now. Better now than never. But, see, he's about to attack. And so I'm listening already. You okay on that? Your turn.